Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Rowenta Perfect Steam is probably one of the most advanced and efficient steam generator irons on the market, designed to make your ironing experience faster, easier, and more effective than ever before, tackling even the most stubborn wrinkles with its powerful steam output and intelligent features that adapt to different fabric types, ensuring professional-looking results right in your own home, saving you time and effort with every pass. Number 5. PurSteam SteamBurst Plus Ceramic Soleplate Iron. Introducing the PurSteam SteamBurst Plus Iron, designed to tackle all your fabrics with powerful steam. Its advanced ceramic soleplate ensures smooth gliding and efficient wrinkle removal. Get ready to iron in no time. This powerful 1700W iron heats up in just 30 seconds, saving you valuable time. Enjoy peace of mind with its intelligent 3-way auto shut-off feature. It automatically turns off when left unattended horizontally, vertically, or tipped sideways. Effortlessly achieve perfect results with preset fabric modes. Select low, medium, or high settings tailored for different materials, ensuring optimal care for your garments. This device is more than just an iron, it's also a powerful steamer. Use it vertically for refreshing drapes, hanging clothes, or even as an upholstery cleaner. Experience hassle-free ironing with its anti-drip system, preventing leaks at lower temperatures. Plus, the self-cleaning function keeps the soleplate in pristine condition for a smooth glide every time. What we like? This iron heats up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for quick touch-ups. It offers preset fabric modes for optimal results on different materials. If you're looking for an iron that's versatile and fast, this is a great choice for busy mornings. What people say? The Rowenta Perfect Steam iron is a great iron that heats up very quickly. The iron is very light and easy to handle. The steam output is very powerful and it removes wrinkles very effectively. Number 4. Rowenta Focus Excel Steam Iron DW5280. Experience an impressive steam boost of up to 135 g/minute, perfect for tackling stubborn creases and thick fabrics. Its continuous steam output ensures efficient ironing performance every time. Enjoy the best steam distribution on the market, thanks to over 400 active steam holes perfectly spread across the soleplate. This ensures even and effective ironing across all garments. Easily adjust the steam output to suit different fabrics and your specific ironing needs. It's perfect for everything from cotton and wool to silk and synthetics. Maintain optimal performance with its self-cleaning function that flushes out impurities. The anti-calc system also prevents calcium buildup, extending its lifespan. Iron with confidence thanks to the auto-off function for safety and an anti-drip feature to prevent messes. The precision tip allows for ultimate convenience and accuracy. What we like? Experience powerful steam output that tackles even the most stubborn creases. Its soleplate boasts exceptional steam distribution for efficient ironing. If you frequently iron thick fabrics or need to power through large loads, this is the iron for you. What people say? The Rowenta Perfect Steam is a powerful and efficient steam generator iron that delivers excellent results. It heats up quickly and produces a consistent stream of steam, making it easy to tackle even the toughest wrinkles. The iron is lightweight and comfortable to hold, and the large water tank means you can iron for longer without refilling. Number 3. Rowenta Pro Master DW8360 Steam Iron. Experience professional-grade results with this powerful steam iron. Its advanced design ensures the best steam distribution for effortless wrinkle removal. Tackle even the most stubborn wrinkles with ease. The precision tip allows you to reach difficult areas, ensuring a perfectly smooth finish every time. Keep your clothes looking their best. The integrated anti-calc system prevents mineral buildup, protecting your garments from stains and ensuring optimal performance. Iron with confidence thanks to its automatic shut-off feature. The large, transparent water tank and easy refill opening make the process convenient and safe. Save energy without compromising on performance. The Eco setting allows you to use less power while still achieving excellent ironing results. From delicate silk to sturdy linen, this iron is suitable for all your fabric needs. Achieve a flawless press on any material. What we like? This iron delivers professional-grade results with its high wattage and superior steam distribution. The integrated anti-calc system ensures longevity and prevents garment staining. If you demand top-tier performance and durability for your everyday ironing, this model is an excellent investment. What people say. The Rowenta Perfect Steam is a powerful and efficient steam generator iron that delivers excellent results. Its large water tank and continuous steam output make ironing large loads of laundry a breeze. The iron heats up quickly and the Soleplate glides smoothly over fabrics, reducing ironing time. Number 2. DRFLASH 2-in-1 Handheld Garment Steamer and Iron. Introducing the DRFLASH 2-in-1, a versatile device that functions as both a traditional iron and a steam iron. Its unique 90 degrees rotatable design offers more effective wrinkle reduction for all your garments. Experience rapid wrinkle removal with its 15-second fast heat up. It features 7 distinct ironing modes, including dry ironing and settings for various fabrics like cotton, linen, and silk, ensuring excellent results every time. This device is designed for convenience, producing soft, long-lasting dry steam. Its compact size and innovative folding design make it easy to store and perfect for both home use and travel. Achieve deep wrinkle penetration with powerful steam injection combined with dry ironing. The rotatable head allows for ironing at any angle, meeting all your garment care needs efficiently. Maintain a smart appearance wherever you are, whether in a hotel, airport, or office. This steamer provides quick and effective touch-ups to keep you looking presentable throughout the day. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This handheld steamer is perfect for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. It comes with useful accessories like gloves and a user manual. What we like? This compact device functions as both a handheld steamer and an iron, perfect for travel. With 7 ironing modes and a rotatable head, it offers flexibility for various fabrics and angles. If you need a portable solution for wrinkle-free clothes on the go or for quick home touch-ups, this is an ideal companion. What people say. The Rowenta Perfect Steam Iron is a game-changer for ironing clothes. It heats up quickly and produces a powerful steam output that smooths out even the toughest wrinkles. The iron is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making ironing less of a chore. Number 1. Newbealer Rotatable Steam Iron, Green. Experience quick and safe garment care. It heats up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 seconds, offering powerful performance with adjustable steam levels and dry ironing capabilities. Its leak-proof design allows steaming at any angle without worry. This device is safe for even your most delicate clothes like silk and wool. The special Soleplate glides smoothly, preventing snags and burns. Enjoy consistent, gentle steam for a professional finish every time. The detachable tank provides up to 15 minutes of continuous steam, perfect for multiple items. Its rotatable head and pointed tip easily reach tight spots like collars and cuffs. It's compact and easy to store. Using it is simple with intuitive controls and indicator lights. The included heat-resistant stand allows safe placement between uses, and refilling is mess-free with the provided funnel. Ideal for busy households, small boutiques, or hotel stays, it provides quick and reliable wrinkle removal. Forget the hassle of a bulky ironing board and enjoy perfectly pressed clothes with ease. What we like? Get ready to iron in just 15 seconds with this versatile 2-in-1 device. Its ceramic diamond Soleplate is gentle on delicates, and the detachable tank provides ample steam time. If you value speed, fabric care, and convenience for everyday use at home or in a hotel, this steamer iron is a fantastic option. What people say. The Rowenta Perfect Steam Iron is a great addition to my laundry room. It heats up quickly and produces a lot of steam, which makes ironing much easier. I love how lightweight and easy to maneuver the Rowenta Perfect Steam Iron is. It glides smoothly over clothes and gets out wrinkles in no time. The large water tank on the Rowenta Perfect Steam Iron means I can iron multiple loads of laundry without having to refill it. This is a huge time saver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.